Welcome to today's iOS 18 tutorial video. Today we're going to show you how to change the tint and app color on your iPhone running iOS 18. Make sure you watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started right away. The first step is to long press on any application icon on your home screen or anywhere on your screen until the icon starts shaking. This will put your device into wiggle mode. While in wiggle mode, you'll notice a small Edit option at the top left of your screen. Tap on it. This will reveal two options: Add Widget and Customize. Select Customize, which is represented by a brush icon. Now, you'll see a section overlaying your iPhone's home screen with 4 different options. The first 2 options are Dark and Light mode, which change your app icons to either a dark or light theme. For instance, enabling dark mode gives your icons a sleek dark look. If you prefer more customization, choose the tinted option. This opens a set of sliders where you can select from a wide range of colors. As you adjust the sliders, you'll see your app icon tint and color changing in real time. Once you've chosen a color you like, simply tap anywhere on the screen to save the changes. Your app icons will now reflect the new tint color you've selected. That's how easy it is to change your app color on iOS 18. If you found this video helpful and want more iOS 18 tutorial videos like this one, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.